How y'all wearing y'all headband wigs? How, ho?
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hello, my love. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm back with another one, ho. Okay, you beautiful mother jumpers. I'm into Zar galore. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not already, join our support group. We are growing and glowing, and honestly, we're only going to grow as much as you guys want us to. So make sure that you're busting down. You're going to comment on this video. Like this video if you're watching, okay? Let me know how you feeling, good, bad, or ugly. I like to know how you guys feel about things. So I want to get into it. I'm back. Can you guess what I'm doing? Oh, sorry about my noise. Can you guess what I'm doing a wig by today? Go ahead and guess. I'll be quiet. I'll post. You guessed right. Unice hair. So I'm super excited. We're gonna try something different. We have a classic unit, or what they want to be a classic unit, in the Water Wave Headband Wig. So we've done quite a few headband wigs. No, nothing new there, right? But I want to do a different look. I think I'm going to do like a half up, half down with the hair out. Like, I don't even want to use the headband on this one. I want to give you guys another way to kind of get in to the headband wig. So again, this is a Water Wave unit. Look at her. She's really pretty, actually. Really good. Like if you're going on vacation or whatever the case may be, this is definitely a vibe. So she's 26 inches of love, sex, and magic. Okay, I want to show you what this came with so you guys can see. Now at 26 inches, this unit is going for just about $292. Okay, she's up there, but this one is 26 inches long, so that's why. So we got some, this is a cute little headband. We got some headbands from Unice hair, okay, for our headband wig. Also, wig cap, which we need. Wig bag. Sorry, I'm going so fast, guys. Wig bag. And look at this cute little robe they sent. I'm obsessed with this. Like, I'm going to wear it every time I do a Unice wig. Does they have Unice on the back? I can't remember. But look how cute she is. Isn't she cute with the Unice logo on the front? I'm obsessed. Oh, it's on this side. I'm obsessed. I really, really am. So let's get into the details of this unit. Again, we're just doing a plain old headband wig, okay? She has 3 combs, 1 at the top, 2 on the sides, okay? You guys see that? She has 1 in the back, adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. And our Velcro straps, okay? So we can tighten her up. So the good thing about this one, it looks like it's the 2 one, okay? So that means that you can make it a little bit tighter when you Velcro it. So I'm going to first throw this on. You guys can get the good look of how she's looking. And then we'll get into how we really want to style her up. I don't expect for this to be a long video. Why? Because we are not new to headband wigs, right? So we're going to give her the respect she deserves. And that's all of about 8 minutes. So let me shut my mouth. I hope I'm not giving, let me bronze myself a little bit. Am I giving like a little bit light? You guys gotta let me know. Cause sometimes, I'm gonna show you the bronzer I'm using. I'm using Coco Naughty. I think I need a darker one by Fenty Beauty. Can you guys see that? There you go. Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty. Okay. So again, this is the unit. Let me throw her on really quick so we can get a good look. I might not even get dressed for this one. Okay, so this is her fresh out the pack. She's really cute. The texture of the hair is pretty. You know what? I really love this. Let me put on a cute little headband. She's shedding a bit, but just a bit, okay? Can you see that? That's how much came out. I'm going to throw on a little headband just so you guys get the full effect, and then we'll do the style that we want to do. Okay. In true headband wig fashion, you can wear her several different ways. don't know where my hair tie is. Okay, so this is the hair up in a ponytail as well. I really, really do love this. This is really pretty. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, my face is beat. Like real good and real sexy and real nice. And I kind of like it. I kind of like it. So this unit looks, I really like this hair. The hair feels really good. Sorry guys, I'm tying my rope. The hair feels really, really, really good. Like really good to the touch. You can do quite a bit, we already know, with her, okay? Because she is a bop. She is a vibe. I'm like really, I love headband wigs though, guys. Like I can't even pretend like I don't. I think they just are easy. And like who just doesn't like easy hair? You know what I mean? Like something that you could just grab and go and keep it moving. Like we all like those. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks in the back. Let me just pull this down. So what I like to do is pull my hair comb over the Velcro so you can't see it. So then this is what it's looking like in the back. Let's get into styling her the way that we intended on. And let me show, let me take my... I love this hair. But you know what I also love? This motherfucking beat. Bitch. I love this beat. So what they're saying is, what you gotta do, so you gotta hide as much of this headband as you can. Get my rat tail comb. Right, y'all, rat tail? And I'm just pulling my hair out. It's in a ponytail, that's why. I haven't been able to braid it because I had to do a headband wig. So, I mean, like, I think that you can obviously wear a headband wig without having to braid your hair. It's just that I haven't been able to get to it. And I prefer having like a little hair situation. You know what I mean? Okay, so I see around here where we got a little headband hanging out. There you go. My hair will be so upset with me. I'm already obsessed and I didn't even finish this yet. So I didn't put any, and I'm not going to, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush out the hair to make it super big. Yo, I'm not even getting dressed for this video. I think Unice provided me with the robe because they wanted me to wear the Mammy Tatton robe. Look at that. Already, I'm obsessed. Into this wholeheartedly. I hope you guys are too. This is fire. This is a headband wig, my love. Let me turn around. This is a headband wig. She came through. She provided. I cannot believe we did. Let me know what the hell you guys think. We can do all things with Beyonce in mind, okay? So let me tell you something. If you have not already busted down, subscribe to this Mammy Tatton channel. Do y'all see how we just came the through? Let me tell you something. I love you guys. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.